Before we meet a client or a group of people, it's important to know the knowledge that they already possess as individuals or as a group. One way can be that we, before the training, send out a survey through Mentimeter where they have to identify their own strengths or challenges, so we can be as prepared as possible and to meet their needs. A good way to start a workshop or a training is to use Mentimeter in an exercise. For instance, we have it often when we talk about masculinity norms. We have an exercise where the audience themselves have to define what masculinity is according to society. So they set the base for further discussions in the workshop. We can see the benefit of doing that in the energy, for instance, and also feel like they can participate, and they can also be a part of setting the agenda for the session themselves.